Oh no. Phantom! They put me in a cage! They put me in a cell! They put me in a cell! You know, they're gonna be my intro, y'all. This is my intro. Me yelling to put me in a cell. Phantom! Phantom, they put me in a cell! Oh no, wait. Oh no, wait. Is that the key? E. Lockpick. Okay, what do I use? Oh, this is gonna be a fun game, y'all. This is gonna be a fun granny. This is Granny Dree. Well, I gotta fight 3 people, apparently. And I can't even break out of a cell. Oh, I can. Oh no. Oh no, I can't. I had no volume. Oh no, a skeleton. Can't open. Lockpick. There might be a very important on that skeleton. I might use the bone for protection. You know how Caveman does? Anything good in here? Skelly? And yeah! Where do you come from? They're gonna be okay. You come that way. I'm not going that way. I'm going this way. To the door. Can I lockpick that? No, I cannot. Why can't I lockpick? Well, okay, this is a shrine. I don't like this. Need a crowbar. I am is that a kid? No, it's not. Did I mean from China? Oh no. I mean not China, Japan. Japan had that sign. My bad. China and Japan do not hate me. I'm not good with flag. Can I break in here? Grandpa, no. Grandpa, no. I sense Grandpa. I sense. Noise machine. I can't run. A noise machine. Close that. Oh no, I'm trapped. I am trapped. Grandpa? Oh no. Yeah, I'm cornered. I am cornered. That made a noise. I know it. I cannot hear it, but it made a noise. Ooh. I don't know where is he. But there gotta be something in this office. A plank. Okay, hold up, Grandpa here, okay, no. Anything else in here? Anything else in here? Catch what is it? I'm making a whole bunch of noise. That ain't not good. What is this? What is this? What is, plank? Wait, they're very old. They gotta be like 100 years old. They cannot hear good, so they probably didn't hear me. Why was that cell open? Skelly's over there. I don't want to go up. If I'm in the people basement? Why am I in the people basement? Close the door. Close the door. Get in here. I don't know. I don't know how to play this game. Why am I here? Oh, why did I come here? That's a good question. Why did I come here? Give me the taser. Give me the taser. Grandpa. I'm going outside. Grandpa, see you later. Oh, what the? I don't know what to do! I do? What you want me to do? Round 3. Third time a charm. I was surprised they haven't took this away from me. Now I heard somewhere this was a true story about this game, about Granny. I don't know why. No. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? I'm gonna put a run. Go down here. I guess that's not. No. What did I did? Is he still there? Why is he there? Who is she? And why can I not use a plank to crawl over the remote? The remote. Grandpa? Grandpa, don't come around the corner. Grandpa, don't come around the corner. I am scared. Nope, Granny. Granny. It's Granny, y'all. Me, Granny. The psycho woman that have a bat. Who yet that can never die, apparently. Is it Phantom Man? Oh, the friend I know. Will you let me get out of the basement? Golly, just let me live. Let me get out of the basement. I can't even get out of the stupid basement. I literally can't get out of the stupid basement. Can I get out now? Thank you! Finally! I gotta... What is it? A bullet. Hey! No! I'm going! Get away! How did I die? I can't escape the basement! This is easy! This is the easy level! I can't escape the basement! Oh my... They keep... How am I supposed to avoid her? Oh no, crouch. Just crouch. Granny, do not turn around. No, I'm going upstairs. I don't care what waiting for me. Why are there so many stairs? Give me a taser! Oh, that Grandpa. That is Grandpa. Grandpa have a gun. I don't want to mess with... Why are there so many stairs? Is there a spider up here? I'm telling you, if there's a spider up here, I'm going. I am stuck. There we go. I'm on the roof. What am I supposed to do now? I see a wheelchair. Something to do with the crow? Oh, ouch! I a stupid bird from Granny 1! It's a stupid bird, I forgot all about it. It's a stupid bird again. Don't know if some of my very first video, Granny. But that stupid bird is back. And I found out what I need the planks for. No, the cameras? I forgot all about cameras. What is that about to do? It doesn't work. Can I open this door? Bear, shotgun sales. Hide. Okay, so I see a lot of shotgun sales, but I don't know where to make the shotgun. Oh, wait a minute, I gotta get it from Grandpa. I'm gonna get it for Grandpa. Don't you dare, no. Can I get something? Thank you. And your weapon keys. I can't even fit under there. Did Grandpa left that room? Wait a minute. Nope, nothing. Did Grandpa left that room? Okay, yes he did. This is the bathroom. Okay, there's a sink. Why do you need 2 sinks? I've never understood. Yeah, I don't... Grandpa! Grandpa! No! Grandpa! No! Grandpa! Ah, back of it. This is a very hard game. I already been spent 17 minutes. I'm way overdue on the, my video. Like, I ain't past the limit of how long my video gonna be, because I don't have a lot of people to watch my video. So, yeah, this is gonna be the last night of the, of this game for right now. There will be more of it later on in the future. Granny, please! No, I'm not finished! How did I die? And I'm not supposed to look at her. And I'm not supposed to look at her. The car don't work. Y'all are some cruel people. Y'all are cruel. You ain't gonna look at the explosion, are you? You did? I don't like you, Grandpa. I don't like you. Gun again! Grandpa got a gun again! Ah! Yeah, there you are. Shoot. Yeah. Give me that shotgun, boy. It's upset. Yes! I saw that. Well played. He gonna start saying he got. I keep saying come help me with the video. Ghost! Get that granny, go to sleep. Oh no, oh there we go. I better say I lost Grandpa, y'all. Oh no, Granny. Granny? Pop! Sit your butt down, boy! Oh, you son of a biscuit eater. I'm not. I'm so slow. Oh, there you are, Granny. I wonder where yours. There, one down, Grandpa, with you. I took your gun. Oh, no, no. There you are. Hear me about. This hurt me, this don't hurt me. Before this video get posted. Well, everyone, you want to see a part 3 to the video, leave a like and subscribe.